Hello, my wonderful people. I'm here with amazing kids in this Indoni. I want to ask them questions. Where are you from?
Abo.
Abo. Abo is very close to Indoni, right?
Yes.
So what is your name?
Chevo.
Do you have Igbo name?
No.
You don't have Igbo name?
Yes.
So what other name do you have?
Faith.
Faith.
Yes.
Other name, another name?
No name again.
No other name?
Yes.
Well, what do you answer in school?
Sunday favor.
Sunday favor. My goodness. And you are from Abo?
Yes.
Do you know how to Imokwa Igbo?
Mba.
I am a Masibo.
You mara Igbo?
I'm Masibo.
Okay, kedezi ba fage?
Favor.
Favor.
I'm
Kedi fili tata? Ili kwa nita? Kedi fili?
Yam.
Yam. It is sure.
Yes.
Kedi fili bali meba?
Ije kumili.
Ije kumili.
Yes.
Ije kumili. Manesni eburo onye Igbo. How do you understand what I'm saying? You are not Igbo, but you don't have Igbo name.
I'm not trying.
Don't try. It's not trying I'm talking about. You are Igbo. You're anyway. What's your name? You?
Chinozo.
Chinonso. Where are you from? Are you
Igbo.
Onitsha? Wow. And you are schooling in this Indoni?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Masibo Fuma. Igbo ni Igbo, yeah? Kedu you feel it, Tata? Don't laugh. You
Shut up.
You just give feeling. Okay, you live in Tata.
What got us to leave me?
But I can't kill you no tutu.
No.
Gina beans. Otokoto. Go see ya. More Maggie see ya. Very good. What's one Igbo Amaka?
Babaga.
Okay. What are you? Could I find Precious. You will have feeble. Why in what I feel?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Can you feel it, Tata?
Yam porridge.
Yam porridge, okay. Keda force in when you will force. Keda Bogodia. Oyibo. And I go Oyibo. Obuego. Bafe. Is her name Obuego?
Yes.
Is your name Obuego? Are you Igbo? Where are you from?
Abo.
How do you know that you are not Igbo when you are from Abo? See Abo, see Indoni. Is it what your parents told you that you are not Igbo? They told you you are not Igbo? Okay. I'm going to come to your house, okay? I'll come to your house and we will talk about this, okay? And you don't know how to speak Igbo. My name is Igbo. You want me to come? You don't want me to come? You want me to come? Don't worry, I'm going to come. Don't worry. And the Bible now, I am my Bundibo, my Abrondi. Yes, that's it. We are going to work on this because it's very important. All of you say Igbo Amaka.
Igbo Amaka.
One more time.
Igbo Amaka.
Another one.
Igbo Amaka.
Thank you.